Christmas here. And before I do a video, I'm gonna ask my mom what's for lunch because I'm very hungry. Come on, Sierra. Let's ask. Come on.
Okay, go eat.
Mother, what are you eating?
Yes? Are you playing again the iPad? You have to work. There's some food for you, kid.
What food? This is so
You're not
good.
washing the sink. Look, you wasted the salmon again.
It's just salmon.
You have to eat all this. Don't feed it to the dog. It's human being first before the dogs, okay? You eat the salmon. Okay? This is salmon, not salmonella, okay? So that's good. And you didn't wash the dishes again? What the? OMG!